Today, let's try vibe coding an app with MiniMax. So let's try out the MiniMax Code. So I click into this. So the website is agent.minimax.io. I'm using their latest model, MiniMax M3, and thinking is enabled. And let's turn on agent theme. So I click on this. Let's just try out a simple example. I'll ask it to build a to-do list app where I can add tasks, edit them, delete them, and mark each task as completed. So I'll send this and let's take a look. So it's done. It built an index HTML over here and I can open it or I can download it. For now, let's just click on open preview and let's take a look. So here I can add a task. Say I need to walk the dog. So if I click on add, it's not really working. So I could come back here and I can see after I write the task, clicking on add button doesn't work. So it updated the file. Let's click on this and let's try it again. So I'll add the same task, walk the dog, and I'll click on add. And now this time it actually works. So you can see if there are any issues or bugs, don't worry about it. Just tell the AI agent clearly what is the problem and it will fix it for you. So now I can try adding even more tasks. Say I need to do the laundry and then I'll press enter. And now I realize that here it says press enter to add. But if I press enter on my keyboard, it doesn't work. But if I click on the add button, it does work. So now I will tell the AI agent that pressing enter on my keyboard doesn't add the task. And from here, it will find out what's the problem and then the AI agent will fix it. So it's done. The AI agent explained what's going on and then it made the fix. So let me click on open preview and let's try it again. So now let's add another task. Say I need to water the plants. Then now I'll press enter on my keyboard and now it's perfect. So let's continue testing this. Say I edit this task and maybe I change this into another task like buy groceries. And it's all working well. And let's say if I mark a task to be completed, it's all working well. And if I want to delete a task, I can click here to delete them. So it's all working good so far. Next, let's get the AI agent to redesign this app. So say I don't like this design. Maybe I want something else. I could say redesign the UI using a bold, creative, high contrast, neo-brutalist style. So it's done. Over here, it described all the changes it made. Now, it didn't send the updated file over to me, so I'll just tell it to deliver the updated app to me. So now I have this. I can click on open preview and you can see it completely redesigned the app. And now it looks a lot more colorful and more vibrant. So this is just an example. You can get the AI agent to design any kind of app in any design you want. So say I don't want this. Let's say I wanted something else. I could say redesign the UI using a sleek, modern, high-depth, glass-morphic style. So it's done. And here it described all the things it changed. And here it does say refresh. And if I refresh over here, it didn't actually update. So I'll just tell the AI agent to deliver the updated app to me. So now let's try it again. I'll click on open preview. And this is what the app now looks like. So the point here is whatever design or theme that you want, you can just describe it to the AI agent in MiniMax and it will do it for you. So for me personally, I prefer the previous design. So I'll just tell the AI agent to undo the latest change. So it's done. I asked it to undo the latest change. And now this is what the app looks like. So anything that you want to do, you can just ask the MiniMax AI agent to do it for you. So let me show you one more example. Say I want to add a calendar feature to this app. And also I want to be able to add a due date for each task. I can just tell the AI agent to add a due date feature. So I can assign a due date to each task and add a calendar view for the task. So it's done, and here it described the new features it added, a due date feature, the calendar view. So let's take a look. I'll click on this, and now I can add a date to each task. So let's try it out. Say I have a dentist appointment, then I'll pick a date, then I'll add it. So I have a dentist appointment on this date. So I'll just add one more, buy groceries. So I added these two new tasks. dentist appointment, and buy groceries on August 2nd and 3rd. So let's take a look. Click into calendar view. So we are in July. Let's go to August. And here you can see that it marked the dates, August 2nd and 3rd, and it shows the task below. So if I click around, I can see the task for that day. So you see, it's very easy to build an app with MiniMax. Just tell the MiniMax AI agent what you want using simple, plain English. Now, if you're interested in vibe coding your own app, just go to minimax.io and you can try out MiniMax Code. So they do have a token plan. So with token plan, you can use MiniMax Code. They have a desktop app. They also have a web-based version, which is what I've been using in this tutorial. Or you can download their desktop app version. So you can download it for macOS or for Windows. So with the desktop app, the MiniMax AI agent can create and edit files directly on your computer. Now you can also use the MiniMax token plan with your own tools. So if you're using OpenClaw, Claude Code, Cline, or any other tools like OpenCode, Code, and many more, you can use it there as well. So they have 3 different plans, the Plus, Max, and Ultra. So currently you can see I'm on the Plus plan, which is only $20 per month, and you can get quite a lot of usage with this. So if you're interested, if you scroll down, it will explain to you which plan fits you the best, and they show you all the differences between the 3 different plans. Now, if you're wondering about the usage for the $20 plan, let me show you. So if I go to the bottom left corner, I click here, then I go to usage. You can see that after making this app and making all of the changes so far, I've only used 2% of my weekly usage. So I can use all the way up to 100% and it will reset every week.